I am good. I'm good, recovering and better. My partner, Rocky, or my mother, my cousins, my brother, Rocky's family. I have so much love around me. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah.
You do.
Like, एक होता है कि आपने एक बार मैसेज कर दिया कि अच्छा वो how are you, okay, कोई बात नहीं, सही हो जाएगा सब, and then you disappear.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You have all kind of people, right? All the big names from Bollywood, everyone personally has DM'd me, reached out to me and checked on me. कभी-कभी ऐसे झटका लगता था. What? Huh? Seriously? You have messaged me? Taken a break and I could not work. I would not have taken a break, trust me. I could not. My doctors didn't allow me to work. I was supposed to start the promotions for COB. It didn't happen because of my health.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now...
But it's releasing in India now.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18 Shosha. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Hina Khan. Hi
Hello.
Hina.
Hi.
First things first, how are you?
I am good. I'm good, recovering and better. Getting better.
Yeah? Good to see you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hina, we are here to talk about your next project, which is Griha Lakshmi. I think the name is quite misleading because when you think of Griha Lakshmi, you think of somebody like, let's say, Akshara.
Yeah.
And then, we see this fierce, powerful woman.
Yeah.
And I'm sure as an actor, it's a dream role because you get to explore so much within one character. Are such meaty roles, powerful roles, tough to come by?
Sometimes, the kind of personality you hold as a person, as Hina or as anyone else, be it a male or a female actor, that kind of helps you to get through a certain project because when the makers are looking for a face for a certain character and they kind of relate that this certain person or this actor, her off-screen personality is also so strong.
Yes.
And it may help and maybe she can portray it in this character we are looking at. So that adds on to it and of course eventually it's the performance. You have to act, no matter how strong and how fierce you are in your real life, off screen. Eventually you have to act, right? So of course that's important. But I think that kind of helps and which is why probably they thought of me and the name is not misleading actually.
Yeah.
There is a side to Rani, which is Lakshmi.
Right.
So Lakshmi is very, very simple, sadharan, docile. She's a homemaker, a house help. She goes to different houses and she just loves her family. She's just like any Griha Lakshmi, actually. That is why the name is Griha Lakshmi, that how this Griha Lakshmi takes the charge and takes that leap of faith and becomes Rani.
How often, Hina, do you get roles that excite you as much as this? Do you need to wait? Are there these long bouts of waiting?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Not that things don't come by, but a lot of times you have to say no as an actor and that's okay. You can have your choices on what project you want to work or you don't want to. So yeah, something which really, really excites you and is so powerful. Sometimes you have to wait a lot. And I think for me, this certain project or the character Lakshmi and Rani I got to play kept me really excited and on my toes that I want to give my best.
Right.
Like when the people see me on screen, they should really figure out the difference in between. There has to be a complete difference in between Lakshmi and Rani. And because they're two opposite characters. And I tried. So let's see. Yes. I hope people on 16 January are happy and they like watching me and the entire cast of Griha Lakshmi on Epicon in Griha Lakshmi.
Yes.
And so let's hope so because everyone else has also done a fab job. Dibendu, Chunky Ji, Rahul, everyone has given their heart and soul and worked really hard. So let's see. Let's hope. Fingers crossed.
Yes, but the love I think already is pouring in because I saw a few comments after you shared the trailer and the character teaser as well. People are really excited.
I think people, I don't know मैं क्या बोलूं. I think timing is
Yes.
is so good and perfect. कि, you know, this thing was supposed to release long back, and because of my health, they could not do it. So otherwise, I think they would have probably put it out in October. But due to my
Last
health,
year.
yeah,
Okay.
so due to my health, it did not happen. But वही कहते हैं ना कि टाइमिंग हर चीज की ऊपर वाला सब कुछ प्लान करके होता है कि right now people already relate to me and say you're so strong, you're so this, and at the same time you have something where I'm already playing such a strong woman, you know, such a strong character. So everything kind of connected, and this was not planned. This was not planned कि अच्छा okay now this will happen and then we will release. Nobody,
Of course,
you
of
know what I
course.
mean. So God has his own timing for everything, and I think people are relating it even better.
Even more, yes. You know, like you said, the fact that you are such an embodiment of, you know, strength and resilience, which is why, you know, perhaps makers think of you when they conceive a character like, you know, Rani or Lakshmi. But Hina, you know, I think irrespective of the roles that you have played throughout the length of your career, you have always played women with agency. And but what I want to ask is that does the other thing around also happen wherein maybe you in your personal life derived strength from the strength of these on-screen characters,
On-screen characters.
from the ones that you play?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Oh, yes. It's always a give and take. I take back something from Rani and Lakshmi, whatever project I do, from the time I started acting, from the times of Akshara, to Lakshmi and Rani now. Whatever projects I've done, whatever character I have played, for that matter, even Kumalika. Whatever projects I've done, whatever character I've played, I have given something to it and I've taken back something from it.
Yeah.
This is how it is. It's definitely a learning. Yeah, you can't think of everything in a lifetime, but you live many lives as different characters you get to play on screen as an actor. So you take back a lot from those different lives you get to play on screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think this one is such a departure, you know, for you in the sense that we haven't seen you ever playing a part like this. Sometimes is it also conscious, Hina, to break perhaps an image that people have of you in their heads?
No, not really. Not really. I don't think I have been very vocal about it and clear about it that I don't think of a project or I don't pick up a project or choose a project keeping what people will think or what for that matter, forget about. I'm not talking about people with negative thoughts.
Yeah.
I'm talking about people who look up to me and who waiting for my next project. What is going to be my next move? What is going to be my next project? My fans.
Yeah.
But I have always been very vocal about it that when I choose a project, when I choose a character to play, it has to satisfy. I have to be satisfied. I have to be happy that I can play it. It doesn't have to do anything with how people are going to like it or are they going to like it or they are not going to like it. For that matter, my fans, with all due respect. If they love me, they will love me in any character I play. And I will give my 100%, and then failure and success is a different story.
Yeah, sure.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So for me, if I choose something, the agency stays with me. That I will choose that character for me and I will do it not because I want to break a barrier or, you know, I want to prove it to the world or anything. उतना I don't think मैं सोचती हूँ. हाँ, एक project जब मेरे पास आता है when it is narrated to me, I definitely think, yeah, this looks nice. This is path breaking. This is,
Yeah.
you know, something I would want to do. But not with an intention
Yeah.
कि नहीं यही करना है. So yeah, that way is no. I think I decide, I pick up, I choose things where I feel that I can do it. I feel satisfied that I can pull it through.
Right. It's not a calculative move.
It's not a
basically.
calculative move.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Intentional, no.
Great, great. Like I was telling you, I spoke to Chunky sir very recently, and you know he was raving about you, and you know he just kept saying that girl, you know, she inspires me so much. And where does she get that strength? Where do you get the strength from?
I think I am a strong person. I have to. I think I should pat my back for this. That I am a very strong person. I have been like this throughout my ups and downs in life. Whatever, be it dad's thing or whatever. I have been like that. Responsible, strong. But at the same time, I think your family plays a very important part. Your loved ones play a very important part. So for me, I get that strength from the people around me, my partner, Rocky, or my mother, my cousins, my brother, Rocky's family. I have so much love around me. Touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood. That ways I'm blessed, alhamdulillah. I have so much love around me. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
You do.
Like, nazar na lag
Nazar
jaye,
nahi
yeah.
lagegi.
So that love keeps me going. That love has really, really helped me reach where I am today.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would say it's the loved ones around me and a lot of love around me. It gives me a lot of strength that I can pull it.
Yeah, your admirers too.
That
prayers they are
goes
sending your way.
without saying.
Yeah.
That goes without saying, and especially in this journey, though, I can't even begin to tell you that. Forget about admirers who know me. I'm talking about people who don't know me.
Yeah.
Have reached out and been there throughout my journey, checked on me. It was crazy.
Yeah.
It was crazy. I was so overwhelmed.
Great.
With the kind of love I have received.
Yes.
Duas, prayers. People have done so much. किसी दिन सुनाऊंगी कहानी.
बिल्कुल.
And of course, as I said, it's not just the people who admire me. It's also the people I don't know, strangers who've shown so much concern, so much love, and have been there, like been there. एक होता है कि आपने एक बार मैसेज कर दिया कि अच्छा वो how are you, okay, कोई बात नहीं, सही हो जाएगा सब, and then you disappear.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You have all kind of people, right? I'm not saying unka concern nahi hai. Everyone has a life, they get busy. But then there are people who check on you every day. And trust me, I don't know them personally. They're from the industry. And not just from my industry, like not the television industry. People from I'm not going to take names, but everyone has reached out to me from all the big names from Bollywood. Everyone personally has DM'd me, reached out to me and checked on me. Everyone. I was like, oh my God, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? Seriously, मतलब ऐसे मेरे को कभी-कभी ऐसे झटका लगता था. What? Huh? Seriously? You have messaged me? And then it's not that एक बार message किया. You are constantly checking on me.
Yeah.
It's great. I think I'm blessed.
You are blessed. Hina, on a slightly different note, I remember this was the first time when you went to Cannes. You spoke about, how TV actors sometimes, they face discrimination if they're trying to, make it to films and stuff like that. And, you did speak about it. And a lot of people praised you at that time because not everybody speaks about it. What changed after that? Do you think some change has come? At least for you personally.
For me, yes.
Okay.
I don't think it happened. Well, let me not put it this way, कि just because I spoke about it, so everything changed. No. I think with each passing day, when you do a certain project, an event, or an appearance, or an achievement in your life, adds on in your profile, right? In the body of work you've done. So I wouldn't give it to what I spoke, or I have been vocal about it even now or anytime soon or later on. If I have to speak about anything, I will. But I don't think that helps you reach where you reach professionally in your career, be it the kind of roles you get or anything for that matter, even a simple ramp walk. You don't get it like that. You have to work for it. I'm very honest. I'm very honestly telling you, it's not because I've spoken about it, which is why I've got what I've got. I think, it's like every time you achieve something adds on to the body of
Sure,
work,
sure.
right? So that's how people reach out to you. Oh, acha, okay, she's done this as well. Oh, she's doing good. Yeah, let's give her an opportunity. So it's not because I spoke, and everyone will speak, right? Everyone will start speaking, and they will get whatever little I'm not saying I've achieved everything in life, but whatever little I could. It's not because I have spoken someday and I've got it because of that. I've been vocal about it, but I think it is the achievements,
Yeah.
not what you say on camera. Your opinions.
I get it. Yeah, it's basically not an overnight thing. Everything is a progression.
It's a
Yeah.
process.
Process.
Yeah.
Very true. I want to ask you something. So I read an older interview of yours where somebody had asked you what's like a dream role for you, and you said that I want to play a spy.
My goodness, yeah. Just 2 minutes back, I was telling someone.
No,
Yeah.
is that still the one in your head?
I was just 2 minutes back telling someone that, yeah, I want to play a spy. And now that I'm back and, I want to get back to work and everything, I've taken a break and I could not work. I would not have taken a break, trust me. I could not. My doctors didn't allow me to work. So I could not. But now that when I can work, तो मैं कुछ ना ऐसा spy types करना चाहती हूँ. ऐसे कुछ आना चाहिए मेरे पास जहाँ पे I get an opportunity to play a spy.
I think we should put it out in the
Yeah, I'm
universe.
putting it out to the universe. Yes, I'm back and ready to work.
Yeah.
So let's see what happens.
Hina, lastly, tell me, when are we going to watch Country of Clients?
COB again, like this. I was supposed to start the promotions for COB. It didn't happen because of my health.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so now.
But it's releasing in India
100%,
now.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Did the wait make you impatient?
No, not
No?
at all. Because I know whenever people will watch it, they love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. All the very best for this and everything that you do ahead, personally, professionally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, this is Hina Khan and you're watching me on News 18.